Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be riding around and going to a car show. Thank you guys for watching. Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be riding the F650, my MIN-E-MOTO. Fully 72 volts. And yeah. So you guys, I'm getting a little bit better at wheeling. I really want to learn slow wheelies. They're so fun. I could just wheelie forever. Cause like pretend a car's right there, like it is, right? So if it's pulling out, I would have to stop if I'm going fast, right? But if I'm going a nice slow wheelie, I could just keep going, and then it passed, and I could just speed up. Then I'll be able to do both. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just trying to learn how to wheelie a little better. Tiny bit better. So keep in mind this is mode 1. Until I learn how to wheelie, I'm not leaving mode 1. I tried going like 10 to 15 miles per hour earlier to get into mode 3. Then I was like, this. Let me show you guys what I did. So I went. I was like, oh dang, we're getting up there, and I was going like 10 or 15. So I was like, oh dang, we're getting up there. So I was like, if I help it get up, like throwing it up like this. But I overdid it. I was going like 10 or 15, and boom! And I almost looped. I was like 12 o'clock, maybe even 1, like 12:30, and then I slammed my rear brake and boom, I saved it. Didn't even put my feet down. Shoot, so technically I could say I hit 12 o'clock. So right when I learn how to wheelie, I'm gonna go to swerving, then dropping it back. That's the two cars out are ours. It's a 1964 Chevy Impala SS, and the other one's, that one's a 1964, the other one's a 1963 Chevy Impala. But the thing is, it has an LS engine, 6.0 LS. So if you guys don't know what that is, they're the engines that Corvettes run off. So it's a 6.0 LS in that green one right there. 6-train Impala. And then the blue 64 has a 350. It's still an upgraded engine. Still got some power too. But that 63 has insane power. And it sounds so nice. Just having some fun on the RSF 650 right before, because we're gonna leave to a car show right now. I wanted to bring this, but couldn't, because I wanted to go around filming all the cars with my helmet cam. And then my friend's gonna be there, and I was gonna let him ride it, but I can't fit this in the trunk. But who cares? I'm gonna bring my camera, and I'm gonna film some dope cinematic clips. So it's either I might cue to that.
And see, that comes from sitting up there pulling on that motherfucking knob. Time.
Yo, what's up, guys? Got back from the car show yesterday. It was so much fun. As you guys saw, all the cars I filmed a ton of cars, and it was just a lot of fun. And yeah, there was a ton of vendors out there and stuff. Bought a few shirts and stuff. But yeah, it was really fun. But look, this is what I've been messing around with. Watch. Oh, not right now, but after this. Okay, right here. You see? I just spin out like nothing. Ready? I could do donuts right here and everything. So much fun. Ready? And then you guys saw that green 6 tray. It's the green one with the LS Corvette engine. It's a LS 6.0, fully restored. It's super fast, and yeah, I got good music. All the wires and bolts are redone on that bike, on the car. Sorry, triple chromed and everything. And that's our car, the green 6 tray with the LS engine, 6.0. And then the bluish 6 fell, like the cielo, that's what we call it, cielo. And that's our car too. Those are the 2 cars we brought. And yeah. Sorry I couldn't film all there's a lot of other cars. I couldn't film most of them because I was with my friends, but yeah. But I still got a lot of cars. And yeah, thank you guys for... Yo guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your razor. So go check it out. And I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's electrified bike kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you guys for watching.